speak. Probably even though that video may now have suddenly disappeared from the Facebook account. You will watch it. And I have asked that you register offense. This is a complaint which has been made by me, by Roshan Matthias and Joseph Fernandez Amso Picleto. So 3 of us have jointly signed this complaint. And I have also annexed a screenshot of him where he makes this thing. And तुमका circulate करता तो complaint copy. आणि तो फोटो पासून दाखवता तुमका.
I will just clear this thing. You mean to say that heart combo issue was the fake history the people are circulating right now?
See, as far as that pillar is concerned, it is called Pillorin lobe. In Portuguese, wait, Pillorin lobe पण dispute करना. त्यांना हातला कामो म्हणलो ना पण loosely
No,
लोक.
I just want to clear that thing. Sir, it is a fake history.
कोण ओपनली याका झाली तर
It's a
उलोवं
fake-
ना
the-
तसं म्हणून तुम्ही आयज
ऑब्जेक्शन काढला.
हय.
लोकांनी ऑब्जेक्शन काढला. मागीर हियरिंग आलो तेन्ना लोक वयतलो थिंगा. हो तो हो व्हिडिओ त्याचो स्क्रीनशॉटूय लायला आहे दाखोवपाक की हो तो आहा तो हें कितें हो तो व्हिडिओ त्याचो कितले लायक्स जाल्ले कितले शेअर जाल्ले कितले कमेंट जाल्ले. सो हें इवन हिटलरा टायमार ते म्हणटाले यू स्प्रेड अ लाय रिपीट अ लाय एंड मेक द लाय पॉप्युलर. मागीर लोक कितें म्हणटा अरे तो कितें म्हणटा कितें आसतलेंच न्हू. इट्स लायक देर इज नो स्मोक विदाउट फायर. दीस इज लायक वॉट्सॅप युनिवर्सिटी. तूं एक फोटो मार स्प्रेड कर आनी अमित शान म्हजो म्हणलो न्ही वी कॅन मेक अ लाय वी कॅन टेल अ लाय एंड वी नो हाव टू मेक इट पॉप्युलर वी कॅन मेक इट स्प्रेड. सो इफ यू कॅन मेक दीस एंड यूज दीस एज अ बेस लायक अ वॉट्सॅप युनिवर्सिटी मिसइन्फॉर्मेशन स्प्रेड करपाक लोकांक पिशान काडपाक आनी लोकांक मनान रॉंग इन्फॉर्मेशन बसोवपाक दीस इज कंप्लिटली रॉंग. तुका हांव डॉक्युमेंट
कार्लोस बाबा तो व्हिडिओ आसा न्हू तेणे सेम म्हणला जे एक्चुअली वास्को तेणे म्हणला त्या व्हिडिओन सेम तेणे म्हणला पूण आमी पयलें की जो तेगेल्या भावाक ते दीस अरेस्ट केलो की ती स्पीच तेणे बरयल्ली म्हणून.
सेम ना हो ए 29 ऑक्टोबर 2025 व्हिडिओ तो कितें म्हणटा तो म्हणटा आतंकवादी सेंट झेवियर आयिल्लो म्हण. मागीर तो म्हणटा स्कूल कॉलेज इन्स्टिट्यूशन तेजें नांव आसा म्हण कळ्ळें पण लोकांक मनान पॉयजन घालूं शकता. हो सांत न्ही म्हूण हो आतंकवादी म्हण. सो दीस इज यू अंडरस्टँड. सो दॅट स्पीच दीस वॉज द बेस ऑफ द स्पीच फॉर वास्को द गामा. आनीक एक प्रश्न म्हगे मनान येतालो. आतां ऑर्गनायझर म्हणटात आमकां खबर नाशिल्ली हो एश कोन येतलो वयतलो म्हणून. येस आय नो दॅट पीपल वोंट नो पूण हे मनशा तूं कितें हाडला. पयलो प्रश्न इफ ही इज नो बॉडी तूं आना तेका. इफ ही इज समबॉडी यू आर ब्रॉट इन विथ द पर्पज कसलो कितें उलोवपाक. तूं तेगे हिस्ट्री पळयत जाल्यार आनी सान फ्रांसीस शावेर आमचो फ्रांसीस सांबाळटा तो उलयता जाल्यार आनी तूं हाडटा जाल्यार मुगे मना हांव कितें चिंततलो लोक कितें चिंततलो. सो एश कोन्न यू मे से हांव म्हणना सगल्यांनी खबर आशिल्लें सगल्यांक पूण थोड्यांक आशिल्लो आनी आय बिलीव दॅट सम ऑफ देम मस्ट हॅव ब्रॉट हिम मेलिशियसली.
Carlos, but now, right now, he has been arrested. Now, what further people
He can
want
also
to
be
know?
arrested in the second case. And I will tell you one more thing which I am looking at, which I will make a demand to the Chief Minister. Such kind of people who are wanting to breach public order and national security and integrity of our country should be booked under NSA. It is not law and order, please understand. It is public order which you can book somebody under the NSA. Because I don't want थोड्या लोकांनी सजेशन दिल्लें take a ban entry, but how will you prosecute him and make trial if he is banned from entering Goa? You have to think logically. To ban Ghazali, I said in case Kitpan can't go ex parte behind back. So I am not asking for his banning, but I am asking detention under NSA. And you can detain him under NSA because आमगे election एक वर्सान येतले.
जाल्यार तेका 299 आणि 196 ऑलरेडी BNS एक्ट आहा. सो आतां हितून सेपरेट सेक्शन्स कितें
The
लागता
same sections it will be.
हय.
But my question is, for NSA, public order is my emphasis. A man who comes to disturb public order, even a single solitary case is enough to detain a person under NSA. I have argued cases, so I know about it. There are Supreme Court judgments on it. It is not, you don't require 10 cases, even one is enough. But repeated patterns of this man coming to destroy, आमचे गोंय तो जाण आमी peaceful. आमी भाव भयण म्हणून सगळे रावता. आमी कोणाचे धर्म हे आनी ते पळोवपाक वचना. आमी एकमेकाच्या घरां भितर भायर वयतात आमी सगळे फेस्टिवलाक वांगडा वयता. हांव देवळाक कितले फाटी वयता. सगळे we don't have a problem. We never think on religious lines. We think as brothers and sisters. So these kind of people who come to spread poison and destroy our culture, destroy our Goan spirit, these are the people who should be put inside, and we must tell them this is not your place where it's your kingdom where you can do what you want. This is a country which believes in secularism and this believes in values, and Goa is unique for it, and Goa, we cannot allow Goa to be destroyed. I condemn anybody who making any attack or insult to any god of any religion. Remember, I will say put them also behind the bars. That is nothing like mujhe loka, teja loka, nothing like that. If I say A should respect every religion, B also should respect every religion. So I don't believe that Dakopak I am holier than God म्हणून एका तेका गाडी मारपाक that is wrong.
ऑलरेडी कंप्लेनी फायल केला अजून कोणाक गरज आसा
पुलीस करतले अरेस्ट. I believe that. एकल्याक केले दुसऱ्याकूय करतले.
तेंचेर बीन तुमी कंप्लेनी बीन करतले?
हांव कित्याक हांव उणेना. So why should I make a complaint if my sentiments are being hurt? Somebody has already filed a complaint. I've read about it. I only read the note. I didn't read the complaint. But I ask you one question. एक complaint केल्या, धा complaint केल्या, केसलो फायलो. So why should I go to run complaint? दाखोवपाक headlines करपाक हांवें complaint केले. एक पाटी एक कंप्लेंट केलो, FIR रजिस्टर जालो. दुसऱ्या वयतात ते हिंगा कंप्लेंट करपाक कसलो फायदो न्हू. Because you register one FIR.
But MLA,
पूण कट्टर केसीन सेम जाला न्ही.
same thing happened. So many people had complained.
complaint केल्या. वास्को जाली, पणजे जाली.
And went. I didn't do that. I did my complaint because I found that the first complaint registered on the basis of the complaint of Peter D'Souza was not sufficient enough to have an FIR registered. He simply made one-page complaint saying that he has made statements against St. Francis Xavier and that has hurt our sentiments. If you go to test it in court of law will just ask to challenge the FIR. Kit mundole, kit murla, tum borela, kit utra ashille, tum borela, and they just post the follow. Remember this. So you have to have the words. So immediately to make sure that that case does not fall, I filed one complaint at the Vasco police station, transcribing his words. Take a utra, and say these are the words which are causing this terminology. So now, म्हाका आपयल्ले हांव बरें सांगता. हिंग यो, थिंग यो, पुलीस स्टेशन हांवें म्हणलें एक फाटी कंप्लेंट घायला हांव कित्याक हिंगा थिंगा धांवतलो कंप्लेंट घेतलो. हांव हातोगा हांव फोकान वचना. So I don't want. See, people are emotional. So people have gone. So you can't blame them for doing it. Law is, you file one complaint, it's registered, it goes to logical consequence.
Kalu sir, can you just clear one thing again that about the Hath Kambo you said, no, ki that was a wrong history.
No. See, his statement was about hands being cut there. Where is that evidence? कोणाचे हात कातताले म्हण थिंगा खूंय एविडन्स आहा?
नाव कशें
कोण उठलो on the wrong side of the bed probably. And तूं जाणा, sometimes even I have also known certain books I have read in Portuguese. Portuguese वाचला. Some people were against the Portuguese kingdom. So ते भायर वचोन बोंबय वचोन books बरयले against it. Now if you read those books and you read what exactly was happening, you get a bit confused. They publish जाले बोंबय. King publish जालो ना. So कोण एक दिसा उठलो आनी बरयलो हें जातालें म्हूण. It looks like that is authentic. And then it gets spread. ते तकलें वयता. If you go to other parts of India, I have seen कितले वर्स फाटीं एक फ्रेंड आशिल्लो UPचो, तेणें म्हाका एक फोटोग्राफ धाडलो तेगे चेड्यागे हिस्ट्री टेक्स्टबूक गिविंग कंप्लीट distorted history about war. I'm not, all this never happened. He says, but it's in my son's textbook. म्हणून हें कितकोन भायर थिंगा पॉयझन लोकांगे मनान घालता आनी मागीर ते शिकता आनी ते चिंततात की ते फरें आमी फोट मारतात. अंडरस्टँड? सो दीस इज इट. ते
Okay.
प्रूफ आसूं जाय. वी आर नॉट सर्कल टू प्रूव द नेगेटीव. तूं कोणागे हात दाखयता जाल्यार म्हूण आहा जाल्यार ते प्रूफ खंय आहा तें दाखय. There is also another thing. Before COVID shutdown, lockdown happened, there was one talk by a very eminent historian called Paiva. It was about the Inquisition of Goa, and he held it here in Institute Commons. How yellow thing especially because I have this interest in history and I know about things. So I came there, and it is worth. I will not make any comment now. It is worth listening to him and understanding what he talks about Inquisition
Okay.
and myths and misconceptions about Inquisition. Thank you. For
Thank you.
तेका नांव कशें पडलां कातरो खांबो कित्याक लागून नांव पडलां आनी आतां गोंयचे जे थोडे हे आसा स्टोरी
So I'm not a big expert, but I will go by evidence. Evidence आसूं जाय. 30 वर्सां 50 वर्सां कोण मोडलं देखून ते फायदो जायना न्ही. ते एक तुवें एक नांव दिलें जाल्यार आमी कोणा बोटलेर म्हणल्यार बोटलेर जाता जायना. You understanding what I'm trying to tell you? It's not like that. It is आमी तोरपाटी जोकूय म्हणटात. Sometimes we say it out of love, but it doesn't mean that he is really that. Understand?
तुम्ही आता कितें म्हणटा नांव आतां चेंज करचें म्हणून परते आहा ते
तें नांव आहा ऑफिशियली पेलोरीन नो. तें कोण नांव दिल्ला हातरो खांबो तें तूं म्हाका सांग. कोण दिलां? ही ऑफिशियल रेकॉर्डा पेलोरीन नो म्हूण आहा म्हणल्यार न्यू पेलोरी. केन्ना बांदलोलो? पुर्तुगेज टायमार. सो पुर्तुगेज टायमार हातरो खांबो नांव दिल्लो ना न्ही. पेलोरीन नो दिल्लो.
तुमचें म्हणण्यार म्हणजे आतां गोंयचे
See, we'll discuss on this Pillory Novo separately because that is an independent debate. We will talk on this because that's an independent topic. It will take about 15 minutes to explain all this plus and the minus. Yes, I will not simply tell you what I feel. I can tell you what I feel last, but I can tell you what is plus and what is minus. But my topic today is not about that. My topic is about complaint which I have come to file against this man for having done another recording on 29 October 2025, bringing this also, and Ankita Munta, whether that is right or wrong is all we will see afterwards. You are brought St. Francis Xavier inside this to lay the foundation, lay the base for all these things. आता तूं पळय, तुवें पळयलो जाल्यार त्या व्हिडिओ आनी तूं भायर आशिल्लो जाल्यार गोंयचे भायर तूं ते व्हिडिओ आयकलो आनी तूं कितें मनान चिंतलो अरे हें सामकें आं. मागीर तूं गोंय पावलो तूं म्हणटलो हे लोक कित्याक ओपोज करतात ते खरें हांवें आयकलां ते व्हिडिओ. तुवें प्रूफ कित्याक बरयला, तुवें डॉक्युमेंट कितें वाचला, तुवें फातराचें बरयलां हें म्हणून ना न्ही. बरें असले वस्तू बरयनात थिंगा पूण थंय आसा रेकॉर्ड कंटेम्परेनियस रेकॉर्ड नॉट 100 years later कोण बरयता. कंटेम्परेनियस रेकॉर्ड आसूंक जाय.
तसो तेणी ते व्हिडिओन कितें म्हटलां की गोंयान एक खांबो आसा आनी थंय गोंयचे लोक म्हणटा अशेंय म्हटलां तेणी. आनी तुमकां अशें दिसता की हे जे कोण गोंयचे
आतां तें कितें म्हणलां हांवें सगळें बरयलां. यू एक्झॅक्टली सी द वर्ड्स कळ्ळें न्ही. तें उतरां बरयलां तें आनी तें लिंक करपाक सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर दॅट इज द मॅलिस.
म्हाजो एक प्रश्न आसलो की गोंयचे जे कोण हिस्ट्रीचे
आमचे गोंयकार न्ही हांव सांगता तुका आमचे गोंयकार कोण एश कोन वायट कोणाचें उलयनात कळ्ळें न्ही. एनिमी जाल्यार पासून उलयना एश कोन. बट आमचे कोण गोंयकार न्ही जाल्यार बेश्टे गोंय रावतात ते आमगे लोकांक पळोवपा येता आनी आमचे डिविजन घालूंक सोदता गोंय काबार.